Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone. Welcome once again to our daily Doctrinal Bible study of the Balbido Evangelistic Ministry. Today we are going to study eschatology. Now, what is eschatology? Eschatology is a branch of theology concerned with the final events in the history of the world or of humankind. What is the Great Tribulation, and where do you expect to be when it occurs? The answer? The Great Tribulation, the last 3.5 years of the tribulation period, Matthew 24:21, Revelation 7:14, is the period of unprecedented worldwide violence as Satan's machinations unravel and he desperately struggles to retain his rule over the world. At this time, of course, Satan is cast down to earth as God will eject this arrogant, scheming, belligerent Satan from the courtroom of heaven, where he has enjoyed free access as defense counsel throughout the appeal trial of the angelic conflict. Revelation 12:7-9, cross-reference Job 1:6, Job 1:1, and Zechariah 3:1. When this occurs, believers like you and me expect to be already present with the Lord since we had been removed from the earth in the rapture. The next question: what is the rapture of the church and what is its purpose? The answer is, it is the resurrection of all dead church-age believers and the removal of all living believers from the earth at the end of the church age, immediately before the tribulation begins, for the purpose of preparing them for the awarding ceremony during the Bema, judgment seat of Christ. This event is instantaneous, in the twinkling of an eye. 1 Corinthians 15:52, Philippians 1:10, Philippians 2:16. The next question: when will the rapture occur? The answer is, the rapture occurs when the royal family of God is completely formed and when the number of believers equal the number of demons. This event marks the end of the church age, but the time is simply unannounced. Absolutely no one can know the day or the hour of the rapture. It could occur today, tonight, next week, or 1,000 years from now. Therefore, never be deceived by elaborate claims that the rapture is an absolute certainty for the immediate future. Each church-age believer at this sudden event will be physically like him, prepared to share in his triumph and coronation of the second advent, and to become his bride forever. Philippians 3:20-21, Revelation 19:6-9. Speculation by some Christians as to when will it occur has no biblical foundation and only hinders their spiritual momentum.